Using a hollow 2-inch by 4-inch structural steel member as a wireway would be a violation of the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC definition of a raceway explicitly states that raceways must be designed expressly for holding wires, cables, or bus bars. A structural steel member is not specifically designed for this purpose. However, it is permissible to place an approved wireway within the hollow of a structural steel member. The wireway must meet several requirements. Firstly, it must be listed and labeled for the intended application. Secondly, it must be properly sized and supported. And thirdly, it must be accessible for maintenance and repair. Using an approved wireway ensures compliance with the NEC requirement for raceways. Wireways provide protection for wires from physical damage and environmental hazards. Wireways allow for organized and efficient routing of wires, making troubleshooting easier. Wireways provide access to wires for maintenance or reconfiguration. To reiterate, while it is not permitted to use a hollow structural steel member directly as a wireway, it is acceptable to place an approved wireway within the hollow of the steel. This provides the benefits of a raceway while maintaining compliance with the NEC.